Ahoy, I'm Zuzka, and if you study Czech and want to speak more confidently, I have something exciting for you, an ebook that I just finished and released a few days ago. The 100 most frequent Czech verbs. You will learn 100 verbs that are used in the Czech language. You will see plenty of examples of these verbs used in context and exercises that will make you feel confident speaking Czech. There are examples from everyday life, more formal and informal context. Each verb is translated into English. You can see 10 examples per verb with their English equivalents. And here's one great thing, you can also listen to all those phrases in Czech, in natural pace, slow pace, and also the English version. So you can just download them to your device and listen while you're traveling or walking. As you can see, there are also tables that show you different forms of the verb, different pronouns and tenses. You will get to practice these verbs in various exercises. All the Czech sentences are also translated into English. What you will enjoy about this ebook is that it feels light because you can simply just open a page and take a look at it. Depending on your time, you can study 1, 2, or 3 sentences, or you can make a plan. You can say every day I'm going to study 1 sentence of 1 verb. It can be the first sentence, or it can be any sentence that resonates with you the most. You're going to learn how to communicate better with your family and friends or your neighbors. All of that not only through verbs, but as these verbs are used in context, you will also learn other words that are commonly used with these verbs. There is a section at the end, an appendix, that explains some grammatical topics. You can learn more about this ebook on my website. And one more important thing, the book is on sale. The early bird price is available until July 15, so make sure you get your copy. You can order it and receive it within seconds. And if you want to have a physical copy, you can also print it in any print shop. It works both in the electronic version and printed version as well. Thank you for your attention. I hope that this ebook will be a great study companion for you.